Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of February, 2025, our system has classified BigBear.ai Holdings as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.01. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock witnessed a decline of 51.37%. This results in an average daily loss of 1.47% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock currently sits in the middle of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further decline within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of about 34.82% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -96.75% to +85.96%. Examining the longer term, our analysis over 12 months indicates a projected change of 56.66%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 56.66% and 556.13% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $3.90 and $16.34. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, BigBear.ai Holdings stock price down 3.11% on Wednesday. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price fell by 3.11% on the last day, Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, dropping from $2.57 to $2.49. It has now declined for 5 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.81%, with a day low at $2.41 and a day high of $2.55. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 20.45% during this time. Volume also fell on the last day, alongside the stock, which is actually a positive indicator, as volume typically follows stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 2 million shares, totaling 37 million shares traded, which amounted to approximately $92.90 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price stands at 75.94%, or $7.86, below the 52-week high, and 84.55%, or $13.63, below the all-time high on April 6, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. Investors in BigBear.ai Holdings Incorporated, trading under the ticker BBAI, are currently facing considerable legal challenges as multiple class action lawsuits have been announced, effective immediately. Leading firms such as Bronstein, Gewurz & Grossman, and Lewy & Korsinski have issued alerts to shareholders who may have experienced losses due to potential violations of federal securities laws. These lawsuits arise from claims that the company may have issued misleading statements, with a lead plaintiff deadline set for June 10, 2025. The immediate impact on BBAI's stock price may be negative, as the uncertainty surrounding legal proceedings often causes investor anxiety and increased volatility. Such lawsuits can lead to reputational damage and a decline in market confidence, which may drive the stock down in the short term as more investors choose to sell off their holdings. In the long term, the outcome of these lawsuits will be crucial. If BigBear can successfully defend itself against the allegations, it may stabilize its share price and restore investor confidence. However, if the company is found liable, it could face significant financial penalties, which could harm its balance sheet and long-term viability, ultimately leading to negative influences on stock performance. Investors should closely monitor updates on these lawsuits to assess the potential implications for their investments. Analyst ratings. On the 30th of December 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating alongside a hold action. On the 15th of October 2024, it was again reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, several negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic outlook. Furthermore, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between the two averages, as the long-term average is situated above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance can be expected at the levels of $2.73 and $3.35. A breakout above either of these points will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 74.54%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal, observed 44 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 107 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, recorded 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, seen 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 34 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal, noted 39 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal, recorded 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 140 thousandths of a dollar between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 5.81%. In the last week, the average daily volatility has been 7.71%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can go through tough times, often due to external factors. However, persistently negative PE ratios might suggest insufficient profits and could signal bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates predict a loss of 6 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $2.62. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 8th of April 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings, LLC, conducted an insider sale of 27,430,402 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond executed an insider purchase of 125,284 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April 2025, Blankenship Carolyn made an insider purchase of 151,442 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April 2025, Blankenship Carolyn also executed an insider sale of 18,135 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April 2025, Peffer Julie conducted an insider purchase of 146,853 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 95.313. Overall, insiders purchased 2,525,089 shares and sold 145,080,800 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several negative indicators and is currently experiencing a significant downward trend. Thus, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is inflated. For trading on Thursday, the 17th of April, we forecast that BigBear.ai Holdings will open lower by 670 0.10 of a dollar, beginning trading at $2.48. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.